Hey guys, I'm Ankita Raj. This is my very first video on YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do a DIY on how to get glowing skin at home. So we only have need four ingredients: 1 tablespoon of gram flour and 1 tablespoon of curd and a pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and just mix it. Apply this on clear face. Take a little amount of this DIY and just gently rub it on your face and rub it in a circular motion and just apply it overall on your face. Just give it a good massage for 1 minute. And so I have just washed my face and you can see the results. I feel so soft and just pat drying it. You can see the results. Use this DIY on regular basic and you can see a better results. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would be a word for me. Till then, bye bye.